Welcome back one more time, guys. I'm very sorry to disturb you. It's because I was thinking I have to talk about this, okay? Otherwise, I will be incomplete. So I come back and I disturb you one more time. Just let me know that you guys can hear me clearly. I mean, the voice is okay. I'll just talk about the thing over here, okay? When you're sharing and all this free, we're supposed to. Oh no, man, don't say like that. But I love that. I enjoy this thing, okay? No need to thank me. But I am extremely sorry to disturb you guys again one more time. For I won't take much more time. Just let me know that voice is okay. After that, I will just talk about a little bit and I will quit. Okay, I'll complete my session. I don't want to spend so much time. Okay, no disturbance. We have thank you, Bamsi. Thank you, brother. So, Bamsi, Stephen. I don't know, Stephen. You are in. How? You are back. Yeah, I'm back. I just need to talk about the price action. I mean the summarize. I will quit, okay? I will just take 10 to 15 minutes. I know I talk too much, so don't ask me the question. Otherwise, I will say something else. Otherwise, I can't stop myself when I'm in front of the chart. So the thing is, in the morning, whoever were with me, you all know that I was expecting market will trade to this consequent encroachment, okay? Is there any doubt or not? Let me know. The Twitter, not here. Don't write anything over here. Otherwise, I'll be distracted. So I was expecting price will come to the consequent encroachment. Did it reach over here? No. Still my expectation is market will come to this consequent encroachment. Today it will come, I don't know. But until it is over here, I'm expecting dollar will go low, all other market will go high. Okay. So I'll just go to the Nasdaq now. Even recently I really do not talk about that. Okay. Look over here. I will go to the 15-minute chart because Nasdaq I love to read the price from 15-minute chart. In dollar, yeah, I spend most of the time in 1 hour chart, dollar index. So here's the 15-minute chart, and you saw this morning session price action, and I told you how to find your entry over here. Why we were not looking for entry over there? Because it was just after two big news. In the morning, this was the non-farm payroll. Then we had, I mean, the morning, the here, okay. That was the PMI. This candle was here because of the PMI. So after two big news, even after one big news, we actually expect the consolidation. So where there is two big news, obviously there should be some consolidation. So this is the consolidation, and it is not looking consolidation over here. But if you go to the 1 minute chart, you will see the consolidation over there. So what did I tell you? Price actually went here. What was my target here? Why I was targeting this buy side liquidity, and above this buy side liquidity, new day opening gap, and finally if it has that much energy, it will go to this hourly fair value gap, maybe also. Okay, why I was expecting this? Because I was expecting dollar will go to the consequent encroachment of that monthly fair value gap. That is why I was expecting market will go higher. What did I tell you? Will I take sell over here? My expectation is it will go higher. Here you will take sell, you shouldn't, because it is just after the big news. But if there was no big news, you are permitted to take sell over there. I mean, if you see some kind of very clean setup, you can just take the sell over there. That is acceptable, okay? But look over here, when I told you that price is actually inside this range, will you do anything? No, I will do nothing. Why? Because though I know price will come here, I need to see this one has broken first. This specific candle has broken this new week opening gap high first. Look at this candle, specifically 11:45 candle. Okay, so I'll go to 1 minute chart now. This is the 1 minute chart. To remember the thing I had done over here, I mean, some kind of just what to say. No, where was that? Okay, so what I have done over there, please don't take that seriously, because I will do this that type of thing so that if any of you are new, or try, I'm not new actually, any of you try to take entry, will be chopped up. So please just try to understand the price, not the entry. Entry will happen automatically. I will make them easier for you guys, trust me. But first learn the price action. Why I am expecting high? when I'm expecting the entry, okay, I mean the setup, when I'm expecting the setup, try to understand that when you will take the entry, whenever you will see the setup, you can take the entry, okay. But if you look for the entry right now, you can't understand the price action. So I saw price actually went higher. I told you I need to see some kind of sell side liquidity taken, market structure shift. After that, I will take my buy over there. I mean, I will take the buy to this buy side, not this buy side liquidity. I'll talk about that later. Okay? So when price came here, where is the PM session start? I think 10 minutes has already gone. I'm sorry, but I need to talk about this. Okay, this is the PM session. This is the first time when price has taken the sell side liquidity. Look, all of the sell side liquidity has taken. I mean, this all sell side liquidity has taken over there. Am I looking for sell? No. Why? Because market is above this new week opening gap. It should take this buy side liquidity, and then this new day opening gap. Finally, if it has energy, it will go to this hourly fair value gap. Okay, I mean the last fair value gap, the breakaway gap. Now, when price came here, it has taken all the sell side liquidity. I'm not looking lower market structure shift. I'm looking higher market structure shift. So when it has taken the sell side liquidity, did it give me the market structure shift? Is there any market structure shift? No, I didn't see any market structure over here. Why? There's no swing high that is broken with the displacement. Price came again lower. This time, did it give take any sell side liquidity? I mean, this sell side liquidity has taken by this? No, it didn't take the sell side liquidity. So when I saw this run, look at this run, how beautiful this run is. It has shifted the market structure. I mean, if you just mark any of it, it has actually shifted the market structure. So if you see this one as your market structure shift, you have to mark the first fair value gap. This is your first fair value gap. That should be worked as a breakaway gap, and then this higher fair value gap. Okay. Did I tweet anything over here? I don't think so. I didn't tweet anything over here because I saw it didn't take the sell side liquidity. If it could take this sell side liquidity after that, if I saw this market structure shift, I I tweeted it today. But I didn't see this one as my market structure shift because it didn't take the sell side liquidity. So I was waiting. Price came back again over here. When it came here, that is the first time I saw it has taken the sell side liquidity. Look at this swing low. Every swing low has the sell side liquidity, and how beautiful this swing low is. So it has taken the sell side liquidity for the first time, but price was consolidated over here. Okay, now you can say, brother, it has actually taken this sell side liquidity, then given you who is on his market structure. I saw there was a market structure shift. I think this candle, when price was printing over there, this was little bit higher than this two candle. Okay, so I saw this one actually traded this fair value gap. I don't know why has changed right now, but trust me, I saw this one is little bit higher than this two candle. There was a swing high, and this candle actually shifted the market. So there was a fair value gap, and it, like, let me just mark it. Okay, let me mark it. I think that will be easier for you to understand. So it was the liquidity taken. I saw that there was a I mean swing high. This is your market structure shift. So that is your breakaway gap. This is your breakaway gap, and there is another fair value gap, that is your fair value. So you will take your entry over there. Your stop loss has to be below this breakaway gap. Okay, so this one was perfect, but I actually didn't want to take this one. I wanted to be sure that really market would like to go. Okay, this is the power of the, I mean, price action. This is the power, this is the power, I mean price action. When I saw this, please don't comment, because I really would like to complete this one as soon as possible I can. Okay, please don't comment. So when I have seen this one, I wasn't hurried to take the buy. Now there could be two situations. One situation is it would never give me another chance to take buy. Instead of that, it could directly go up and take the buy side liquidity. Okay, if it would happen, I had no entry. Okay, I had nothing. So you have to understand, sometimes you have to let some entry go. Just let it go. If you can do that, that is the work on your psychology. Okay? So when this entry happened, I really wouldn't take this entry. Instead of that, I saw it has actually taken the sell side liquidity again over here, so it has given me another chance. Okay, look at this low and this low, they are relatively equal. Okay, this low is single low and it has taken this single low. Instead of that, it has taken both equal lows. Okay, so that sell side liquidity is stronger than this sell side liquidity. Now you can tell me, brother, this low and this low, they are also relatively equal low. Yeah, they are also relatively equal low, but as it is 1 minute chart, I prefer as clean as possible. Okay, this is very far, so I really don't like to take this type of entry. But if it was 15-minute chart, then I would mark this one as my sell side liquidity. I mean, they're relatively equal. As this is 1 minute chart, I really prefer to go with some kind of this type of clean sell side liquidity, equal lows or equal highs. Okay guys, try to understand the fact because it is very important. If you don't understand the fact, I don't know what to say. Okay, so that was my sell side liquidity. And when I see this high, is this high is valid for me? I mean, for market structure shift, no, this is not valid market structure shift. Why? Because this one didn't trade any fair value gap on its left, and this high has no swing high on its right, which is lower than this swing high. So this swing high is not valid for your shifting market structure. So I had only this high to mark as my market structure shift. I had no other choice. Okay, so that was my market structure shift. And if you remember, when actually price was over here, I tweeted you. So is this your, I mean, well known setup or not? Okay, so that was the breakout gap. Look at the first fair value gap. I really prefer this type of setup when where there is two fair value gap one above another. Look over here, what was the setup here? There was one fair value gap. After that there was two candle, not one candle. One, two, then third candle has made the another fair value gap. I prefer this one fair value gap, just another fair value gap above that fair value gap. Okay? I really love this type of setup because there is more probability market will come to the upper fair value gap and then it will take the buy side liquid. Try to understand the thing, guys, please. I'm don't feel me, don't make me feel that I'm wasting my time. If you do that, and if I can understand that I'm actually wasting my time and you guys are not taking notes, anything, like, to be honest, brother, I am doing this fully free because of you guys, so that you can learn something. At the midnight here in Bangladesh, it's midnight. Okay, I know I will take 10 minutes. I told you, I promised you, but it's gonna take a little bit more. I'm really sorry for that, but please try to take some notes. Don't make me feel that I'm wasting my time, please. That is a request. Okay, so uh what I was, okay, I was over here. So I really prefer this type of setup where there is a very clean sell liquidity, market structure shift, and two fair value gap on above another. So I actually tweeted over here and I told you this buy side liquidity, why I am actually marking this buy side liquidity. Everything I explained in the morning session. So everything over here. Okay, this setup which one I took at the last of the morning uh, session, I took this order block entry. I wouldn't take this entry, trust me brother. I never would take this entry to my what live account, but I would take this entry to my live account. That's why I tweeted it before. I mean, I take the risk. If any of you would, I mean, try to take this entry on your live account, that is disrespect to me. Okay, because I requested you. You see, I respect ICT, that's why I don't talk about order block. That is the respect. I mean, I want that type of respect. That my only one request is, please don't take entry depending on my analysis. That is my own only one I mean, request to all of you guys, whoever here is trying to learn. That is my only request. Okay, so when I saw this setup, trust me brother, I didn't take this entry to my live account, to be honest, but I was trying to actually record the screen. That's why I didn't take this entry to my live account. I thought, I mean, I was just diverse. I got diversion. I was thinking, okay, I will take this entry to my live account. Then I thought, no, I will just record this one so that you guys can understand why we were waiting from the morning session And when this setup happened, why not over here? There was no setup over here. That is the first time when we got a setup. I mean, we didn't see this one. I don't know why this candle is little bit lower, but trust me, brother, when I was watching the market, this candle was little bit higher than both of this candle. I mean, it was the swing high, but right now it is at the same level. I really don't know why. If you trust me, then you will trust. Otherwise, I don't know what to say. Whatever. So there was no setup. Okay, if you look at the market right now, there was no setup, but that was the setup. This is the market strategy. What should price do? It will come to the upper fair value gap. If it would like to go lower, it can go to the consequent encroachment. I will put my stop loss below the rule is it you will put your stop loss below the breakaway gap. Okay, and you will put your stop, I mean, target profit over there. No, not over there. Why not over there? It's because that is the extreme buy side liquidity. I really recommend you not to do, I mean, not to target over there. Okay, if you would like to target the extreme buy side liquidity, you have to take some partial. Now there was no other level on my left so that I could take some partial. So what I have done, I actually use the fib, I mean, so I actually that one. Sorry, just let me let me remind. Okay, uh, um, sorry for that, guys. So I actually marked my fib and I took my partial over there. I targeted over here. So there was my, if you watch the video I have uploaded to my Twitter, I write it down to the 1 minus 1 standard deviation as my first portion. So there was my first portion, and okay, I will just close the thing over here. Now you can see, though it has actually missed a little bit minus 2 standard deviation. I think if I would go to the body to body, I will get the precision. I think. Okay, let me check. Yeah, body to body, it actually gave us the perfect precision over here. You look at this, it has actually traded the minus 2 standard deviation. But whatever, I really would like to go week to week. Sometimes I actually take body to body. It's very rare, to be honest, brother. But I will teach you this, but not now, later. Okay, I'll remove this one, and I took my first entry. Look over here, when it came to the upper fair value gap, I took my entry over there, and when I saw prices going lower, and look over here, when it came to this fair value breakaway gap, I add more over there. Okay, I just add more over there. It went higher, it come back again to this consequent encroachment. Look at this consequent encroachment. I took another entry over there, then I took another entry to here, to the order block. I mean, that was the order block, perfect order block. I told you, if price can break above this level, then it will work as my order block. Okay? So actually not here, sorry, not over there. Okay, it'll be here. Okay, so when I saw price actually above there, it has closed above this order block level and come back again to the order block. I took re-entry to that order block level. Okay, in that case, when price was over here, I write it down. If price can retest the order block, I will add more. I was ready to add more over here until I saw the, I mean I didn't take the partial. When I have taken the partial, I have no interest to add more. Instead of that, I actually put my stop loss to the break even. And after taking this one, when price was actually consolidating over there, I wanted to see that market should close above this level. Okay, look at this candle. This candle actually closed above this level. I wanted this will happen here to this specific candle. Why? Because that was the new candle start from 5-minute chart. There's some another reason. Okay, that is not important right now to understand. I wanted this one should close above the high, but it didn't do that. It is what it is. Sometimes price doesn't listen to me, and I get very angry on that time. So I actually tried my stop loss too fast and I stopped out. Okay, if I didn't put my stop loss just below this low, if you watch my video, then I wouldn't be stopped out. I mean, if I just look at this, If I would put my stop loss just below the min threshold of this order block, I wouldn't be stopped out. But I have very bad weakness about the trailing stop loss, and most of the time I actually stopped out because of my first trailing stop loss. And when I do that, when I actually trailed my stop loss too fast, when I see market is not listening to me, then I started to do that type of things. Okay, just a second, give me one more time. I would like just a second. I need something actually. So when I have seen it, it is actually it failed to break above this high. I put my stop loss. If you watch my record, I put my stop loss just below this low, and I got stopped out to this candle. Look over here. I just stopped out over there. Then price actually went higher and take the buy side liquidity. So from the morning session, we were waiting see that market will take this buy side liquidity. It has done. I mean, when it has taken the buy side liquidity, what will you do? You will look for another entry? Never, brother. Never, because from the morning session you were waiting to take this buy side liquidity. That was your target. That was your target. Okay. So if you just let me register. So when you see your target has fulfilled, you have nothing to do. This run, wow, what a run, man. If I just would like to take buy side liquidity, then maybe here is the market structure prices. There is some kind of fair value cap. So I would take that sell as well, and I would maybe target someone over here. Oh man, what a win. I take a buy over there, I take a sell over there. Don't even think like that way. If you do that, you can never be a consistent profitable trader. And whatever I'm telling you, if you don't believe me, if you doubt me, that is your how to say whatever I tell you, that is actually for your good. Okay, so that some of you can do something better. That is my only intention. Okay, if you don't listen to me, I don't know, maybe you follow some other YouTubers or some other mentor or something, maybe they will teach you better than me. So you can actually, you are free to try, you can watch their video as well, but here whatever I'm telling you have to follow, otherwise it will hurt you. Trust me, brother. I really don't care about anything else except your success, nothing else. And now if you ask me why I'm actually care about your success, I already explained that so many times. Okay, so that's the thing. And I was wanting to tell you now. If you have any question, you can ask me now. Okay, as even high time frame traveler become balanced after Anapostle, you always just tell something what I really don't want to listen. Okay, I don't know why you just try to make more information in one place where there is you don't need to put more information. Why you don't make this simple? Why you make it so complicated? I really don't know. And if you see like that way you are profitable, okay, then I have no problem. I will tell you, okay, keep going like that way. But that is very difficult, brother, to be honest. And you are actually stopping yourself for learning so many things. I mean, not from me. Even if you follow some other people and they are actually teaching you this to put so many information in one chart, they are actually hurting you. Now you won't get it now. You will understand this later. When you will just put so many information in one specific chart, you want you will want some more precision. Maybe you will mark some our 4 hour fair value gap over here, then some order block from other time frame. You would like to put it more clean. I mean more precise, more strong. You are actually hurting yourself. You are actually I don't know what to say, brother. I'm really sorry. I don't know what to say. You know, I have learned a lot from you, lol. Lol means lot of love, Julian, or laugh out loud. I mean loud. What did you mean? If it is laugh out loud, I'll be hurt because I'm actually trying to teach you, I mean not teach, I'm trying to give you something and you have to take it seriously. Like I will study but you explain it very clearly. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, Rosa. Thank you then. Thank you, brother. Okay, Atomic Perks, we are taking note. I came in for the live stream, so I started for the start catch up the question I ask. I personally know it for the thank you, Dominic. Brother, I just completed macro baby steps. I know, but I'm learning. Thank you. More blessing. Thank you, Rovi. So if you have no more question, then I will just close the session. Whatever I wanted to say, I've already done. Okay. So this is Friday. Don't take any risk and always remember. And if it is possible, please write it down to your notebook. In Friday, the safest place is last hour, 3:15 to 3:45. If you get any setup at that time frame, that is the most safest place to take entry in Friday. All the other time it's very difficult to read the price. Okay, now it is confusing for you guys, but when you will start to learn how to read the price, I mean step by step from 15-minute chart, I mean daily 15-minute 1 minute execution, you will understand why I am telling this. Okay, so to be honest, brother, uh, Friday reading price action is too hard. So this last hour from 3:15 to 3:45, if you see any kind of execution or setup over there, that is the safest. Okay, if you don't see anything like over here today, I don't see anything over here, nothing. And if you really don't know how to read the price, this is not a valid setup for you. Look over here, it's just a random price action. Okay, you really don't know how to read this price action. If you really don't know, okay, I'm not telling you you don't know, I'm just telling if you really don't know how to read this price action, you will never notice this sell side liquidity, this market structure. You can never notice. But if you know from 15-minute chart, if it can break this new week opening gap high, and this is my target. Okay, now if you know that you are in 1 minute chart, you will wait to take sell side liquidity first. Where is your take sell side liquidity? Here is your sell side liquidity. First it has taken the sell side liquidity, then I need market structure shift. I didn't get it over here. So what are I waiting for? I'm waiting for to take sell side again and market structure. It failed over here. I mean, if you just mark this one as your sell side liquidity, you can do that, but I really don't appreciate it. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I really don't think this is a clean sell side liquidity. After then, this is the clean market structure shift, because it is a very huge. I mean, it's a huge price action. Look over here. It's a very small price action, right? Taking sell side liquidity, giving market structure. But look over here, how many candle over here? So many candle. And then it went too long, then it come back again. In the meantime, it has taken all the buy side liquidity over here. So this type of thing I don't like. I like more precise price action. Then it came again to the sell side liquidity, but there was no market structure shift. I mean, it's look like there is no market structure shift, whatever. So just talk like that way. There is no market structure shift. This is the last time when I got sell side liquidity has taken. And when I have marked this sell side liquidity, do you know when I saw this big run? When I saw this big run, I was thinking why I got this big run when I didn't take any sell side liquidity. Then I noticed, okay, it has actually taken this relatively equal loss. So immediately I actually uh, marked this one and uploaded this to my Twitter, so that you guys can understand what we are waiting from the morning, and what actually it gave us. It is given to us. Okay, so that is the thing. This is how you will read the price and you will frame your trade. Whenever you will see the lower run, will you wait for the lower market structure shift? No, no, never. Until it has taken the buy side liquidity, you have no sell over here. If you would say it has taken, I mean it has broken this sell side, I mean the low of this new week opening gap, then you are permitted to take sell over here inside this range. Look over here, yeah, you are permitted to take sell over here if you see there is a very nice setup below this low, I mean this below this constant cost. You are not permitted to take entry above here until it is broken. This is from 15-minute chart. Okay, you have to read the price from here and then you have, when you have some very clean price action, then you will take your entry. Is it confusing? I mean, I'm trying to make it simple. You just need to do the same thing I have done. You have to mark every level on your chart. Trust me, brother. It is like something pseudo. I mean, ICT tell. When you do this, you will just copy from here and you will paste to your chart. I mean, you will do that things by yourself to your chart. Suddenly, you will notice you have already started. How many times I have spent already? 35 minutes. I think I should not adding nothing more than what you teach the if work in work time work. That is your problem, honestly. You shouldn't think like that way, because you shouldn't think. I don't want to actually. I'm tired to explain you. Whatever you are doing, I mean, in my opinion, you are doing wrong, and it will actually stop you to learn. Otherwise, I mean, you are just hurting yourself. You will never understand this now, but later you will understand, brother. I'm very sorry. Okay? I'm very sorry because I'm telling this because I care about you. I already told in front of everyone that I really care about you, because you are the one from the very beginning of my YouTube, and also my, I mean, the Twitter. You were the first one, in my opinion, who were with me from the very beginning. I mean, from the first of my social media journey. So I really care about you, and I explained so many times you, whatever you are doing wrong, because you are trying to put something that is unnecessary. And whenever you will think like that way, that is the wrong way. If you start to work on the wrong way, you will reach to the wrong destination. You can never reach to the absolutely correct, I mean, the, what to say, I don't. So I'm very sorry, brother, and I'm really so tired to explain you same thing again and again, but you are doing the same thing always. I actually, I'm done. I don't want to actually, uh I don't want to tell you anything else anymore. That's all, brother. I'm very sorry, but if you get hurt, I'm very sorry. But that is true, brother. I'm done with you. It's not confusion. Good action. Thank you, Domino. Thank you, Vamsi. Thanks to all, and it's going to the end of today's session. I hope tomorrow I will talk about. Okay, just I can see there is 9 people, actually 8 people. So I will just tell tomorrow I will try to come back again, but tomorrow I will talk about the psychology again, and I will try to complete the breaker block tomorrow. And if I can come, I will come at 8 a.m. New York local time, and also psychological things. Okay, so if you are not interested about the psychological things, you can skip. I will start with the breaker block, so later you just come and you can watch the beta block part. Okay, I mean, the breaker block part. You can watch like that way. Okay, so that's a pre-announcement. I can see there are 9 people, but before the live, I will tweet to my Twitter, I think. Okay, Stephen. Yeah, tomorrow actually I will talk about the psychology, because psychology is the most important part. So I will talk about that. So I have just told you that whoever is not interested about tomorrow's session, you can come back later and please take the breaker block part. Okay, that is the important part, in my opinion. I mean, if you think you don't need psychology, you have very strong psychology, can then you can just come back again and take the psychological the breaker block part. And that's all for today. I hope I can manage tomorrow the time, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Until then, be safe, guys, and that's all. Okay, bye bye. See you.